You ever heard what a jet engine makes a bang or a cough? It's not random, we call it a compressor stall. Now, basically, in simple terms, for a jet engine to run properly, the airflow needs to stay smooth through the compressor, or in actual fact, throughout the whole jet engine. And the compressor's job is simply to take incoming air and compress it stage by stage. Now, here's the key idea. Compressor blades are actually basically tiny wings. They have camber, a chord line, and they generate lift. Obviously, in this case, it's not lifting up the aircraft, they're pushing it backwards through the air. Now, just like a wing, if the airflow hits the blade at too high of an angle of attack, the flow starts to separate, and that's when we start to induce a stall. This basically means that the compressor cannot do its job correctly. There's no linear flow anymore. It starts to separate, and we have problems. Now, just like a wing, if the airflow hits the blade at too high of an angle, it starts to stall. Now, what it actually is a local airflow breakdown inside the compressor. The turbine is demanding airflow from the compressor stages, but if there's no linear flow, the demand cannot be satisfied. The air starts to slow down and it becomes unstable, and in severe cases, it can even reverse direction, which we'll touch on later on. You can think of the compressor like it's losing control of the airflow, and at its core, it is a stall and it is an imbalance. It's an imbalance between how fast air is entering the engine and how fast the compressor is trying to push it through. Too much demand from the turbine, not enough stable airflow, and the system starts to break down. And like I said, if that instability spreads across the whole compressor, that's when things start to get worse, and that's what we get to call a surge.